How to change name on TikTok. Hi guys, in today's video I'm going to guide you that how to change your name on TikTok. So the process is very easy. You just have to follow me step by step, and let's dive into the video without wasting any time. So first you have to open your TikTok app and then click this profile icon on the bottom right corner. Now choose edit profile, and here you get this option of name. Click your name over here. And now you can just remove this and change it. Just remember, your nickname can only be changed once every 7 days. So you have to choose a name that you want to hold for 7 days. You can just remove this name and add the new name and then hit save. So that's the process that you can follow to change your name on TikTok. I hope you found the process easy and liked my video. And if you did, please don't forget to like and subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you again.